For phonics this week, we are working on I can read and write words with PH that says f, GH that says f, NG that says ng, and CK that says ka. So PH and GH both make a f sound. NG makes that ng. It kind of comes from the back of your throat. And CK makes a k sound. So here, let's look at some examples. PH, like photograph and phone. GH, like laugh and rough. NG, like sing and ring. CK, like rock and duck. Your assignment today is to do some of these words on the core enhancement chart with me. So first, we're going to go across and say the sounds together. You'll notice that it has our phonics that we're working on for this week as well as reviewing last week. So my turn, your turn. Ng, m, k, f, So let's look at this word. If we sound it out to ourselves, we look at the beginning sound, which is and then we can see that there's ing that says ing. So reading it together, it would be ring. Look at this one. Sound it out to yourself. That's right. It's king. This one is my turn, your turn. Singer, your turn. Let's look at this word. This word, you know what that letter says at the beginning. And then look, here's a word that you might know. If you didn't know it, you could sound it out. So listen as I do it. Ng, along, along. What's the word? That's right, along. Okay, sound out this one. What's the word? Back. Sound out this one. What's the word? That's right, rock. Here we've got some words that have PH. Oh, look at this one. Sound it out. That's right, it's the name Phil, just like my husband. Look at this one. What's that word? That's right, photo. Look at this one. What's that word? That's right, dolphin. Look at this one. Let's sound it out together. Graph. Graph. What's the word? Graph. Look at this one. Don't forget that bossy E makes the A say its name. The word is phase. Okay, your job is to read these 4 words to yourself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can read these green words as well. And then read these 2 red sentences to practice. When you are done doing this part by yourself, then you may press the X and the blue turn-in button.